Welcome to Drop of the Day number 7. So last week we made a Leatrix remake. And then we also made like a really cool cyber trap thing.
Control.
I also shared 4 tips on how to improve your workflow in FL Studio, and I broke down how I designed the bass for my new song Curfew. Show you how the sound went from this to this, then later to this, and then finally to that. If you haven't checked out those videos, go check them out and let me know which ones you guys like the most. So today I made this drop and I think it came out pretty cool, so let's talk about it. So I started with this sound right here, with this fucking shit. That's not the fucking sound. So let's get into how I made this sound. Let's put initiated patch. All right, cool. My first instinct for this kind of arpeggiated, I didn't say that right, glitchy type fucking electronic ass fucking computer ass. I grabbed an LFO1 and I put it on this chorus shits. And then with the LFO, I just kind of made some little steps like this. Check it out, like this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, something like that, I don't know. Oh, and then I put it on trigger. So that's already giving it that little Then I just picked a different wavetable. I went with the Crush Wub. So then I put a filter on it with the ring mod. Immediately gives it that fucking sound. So I grabbed a different LFO and then I put it on this bitch right here. This is, where I experimented until I found a parameter that sounded sick. For the one I did is something like this or something. All right, I'm gonna bring up the pitch on this bitch. So basically, the foundation of that sound is there. Everything after this is just fancy shit, like compressor, some hyper dimension, really fast delay. So I put the shit on super fucking fast. Wait, put it on link and then put it on super fucking fast and then maybe ping pong and then. And so I was like, what do you mean my spoon isn't yellow? The fuck? The fuck you mean my spoon? What? Oh yeah, I was making this. And yeah, that's basically how I got I mean, this already sounds sick, but the one I made, the one that took me like an hour and shit, looks like this. The only difference is that I put a filter on here. Oh, and it's higher pitched, obviously. And then a little bit of noise, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I came up with that sound. Actually, it's so fucking similar. Holy shit. You get the point. As far as the processing for this shit, these are the effects. Oh my god, relax. Alright, so what the fuck is going on in this? First, multipass with the harmonic duplicator, because I'm really fucking with this, okay? I'm using it a lot. It's not a big difference, but once you bring up shit with compression or whatever the fuck you use to bring up your shit, it's more noticeable. And then I put my new trap synthesizer, and inside this trap synthesizer, I'm using the metallic knob to add a short delay, some space, which is a reverb, and some compression with this mid and high compression, and a little bit of saturation, as you can see here. But all that stuff is really FL Studio plugins, and these patch racks are available on my website. Get these bad boys. So without the trap synthesizer, and then with the trap synthesizer, yeah. And then the motherfucking Valhalla room, I wanted even more reverb. This bigger reverb is being automated in these little moments right here, and right here. So it sounds like this. And this is the MIDI. next thing I did actually, so I recorded this little reverb tail. Okay, like that. And then I reversed it. You have that, right? And so I put that into the motherfucking playlist. And so it goes like this now. And oh, automated the pitch as well, simply by moving the little bitch right here and then right clicking on this, re-automation clip, making a little ramp that goes down. And then I was like, all right, I need some motherfucking drums on this shit. Let's do the chat. All these drums are coming from my pack, High Energy, available at the Collective. And you can use code BIGBEATS till the end of April to get 30% off this bitch. All right. Super straight, simple, and fun. All right, but let me break it down a little bit. Just the key points. I'm putting a ride on every kick except the first one. I'm also layering this snare with the clap. I'm also putting this sweep right before the first and second kick. And then the hat pattern's super simple. Just an open hat a few times and a double little closed hat right there. On this other channel, I have my signature chain splash and some broken glass that are recorded. That's the motherfucking drums. There's no processing on these drums because they're already fire. Let's get into the bass. All right, what the fuck is wrong with the bass? Okay, we have two different basses. We have DS1 and the 808. All right, so I'm gonna break down this one first. So this is the bass shot from High Energy. The original one sounds like DRUMZ. So what I did is I pitched it up and I duplicated it and reversed it. Almost sounds exactly the same reversed, to be honest. But I put this motherfucking, it's just an EQ that's taken off the high end. Then I put my bass formidifier on it. This is what it sounds like without it. And this is what it sounds like with it. Not a big difference in this scenario, but still fire. And then a Pro L. Right, the next shit is an 808. Again, from High Energy. All these motherfucking sounds are from High Energy. So this 808 is called Fade. And the way that I have it in this bitch, I'm using a slide note, a little slidey note, just to make it go like that. Oh, and I also have some slidey notes that like go up. And as far as the processing, I don't have shit on it because it's already fire. The only thing is I put Deep Blue Glitch and I turned on the crusher effect on the slidey notes because I liked it like that. So this is what the slidey notes sound without the Deep Blue Glitch. And this is what they sound like with the Deep Blue Glitch. It's just bringing up the high tones, you know, giving a little bit of high information. And Deep Blue Glitch is free, so you can get this motherfucker online for free. All right, obviously everything is being sidechained. Oh, and then I added some effects. All right, so this one is a tension lead from the pack that originally sounds like DRUMZ. All right, and so I pitched it up and then I put the pogo all the way up. So now it sounds like it's going down in pitch because it is. And that shit's fire. So no processing on that at all either. Super straight clean from the sample pack. And finally, white noise called Damned from the sample pack as well. Sounds like a little crinkle sprinkle white noise, you know what I'm saying? Bonus time, bonus time, bonus time. All right, I'm gonna talk about the vocals real quick. So I just recorded myself saying error, 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 error. And so since it's 2 syllables, I just took the and the and I just glitched it. It sounds like all robotic and shit because I'm using the BitSpeak plugin, which is one of my favorite plugins ever. I love this shit. I love it so much. And just a limiter just to crush it, and then an EQ that looks. Then I used the homie KVR vocals.
Ah, shit.
And that's also from the pack. That's it. don't know why I put that at all. It just the first thing that popped into my head. I haven't had chicken nuggets in probably like fucking 6 months. Outro! Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you got inspired to make some shit. Leave a fucking like! That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to leave a like, that would be fucking sick. I'll really appreciate it and shit. Alright, anyway, hey, check it. Hey, oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. Alright, hey, subscribe. Do it. Subscribe.